one thing that I also want to drive home is that you might choose a different package, not necessarily based on the questions that you're asking, but based on the data that you have. All qualitative data analysis software have this core capability of coding text. So sometimes institutions have chosen to purchase a software package, and sometimes that will sort of dictate your choice in terms of which package you go with. And so going with what your institution has purchased has the benefit of it usually being free, or at least reduced price. And you likely have a community of researchers already using that package that you can go to for help or advice. So sometimes that seems to be the best option. But some of them, and so I'm going to speak to NVivo because that's what I know best, have more advanced capabilities that allow you to ask complex questions of your data. By that, I mean, in NVivo, you can bring in quantitative data. So let's say you've done interviews and you have some demographic information about the interviewees, and then you want to see how people discuss different themes that you have already coded for in your project, how those might vary by age group or education level. And so NVivo has the capability to ask that question. NVivo will also allow you to look at intersections of different themes or codes that you've coded for in the software. I'll use an example from the sample data, which is how people talked about natural environment and real estate development. So you can ask really complex questions. Other software packages, for instance, Dedoose is really good at facilitating working as a team and coding text-based data in a really straightforward way, but doesn't have the more advanced analytical capabilities of looking at intersections of codes or codes and demographics or things like that.